What is up, guys? It's Jack and Lulu back with another video coming straight at you right now. Make sure you post a link in the description. Subscribe and click a big thumbs up, and link a bell to the notifications. Today we are going to be opening a Unified Minds Elite Trainer box. In the past, we've already opened these. We've already opened one of these, and we pulled like nothing, just like a bad mute to a mute tag team. It's not too good. Really quick, like before we jump straight into the video, I'm just going to be showing you my little card collection that I have so far from opening Hidden Fates Elite Trainer box. So first we have a Zoroark break that I pulled from a pack with my friend because he got me the Mega Beedrill EX box. There's my Zoroark break. Shiny Gardevoir, pretty beautiful. Golden Hustle Belt. Venusaur EX. Togekiss EX. Shiny Scratchy Mallow Trainer. Umbreon. Giovanni's Excite. Shiny Mewtwo, baby. It is a one-of-a-kind. Scratchy, holographic. Well, not really holographic, but it's just beautiful. Dragonite, my sister pulled this from a random pack. Love it. Beedrill EX from the Mega Beedrill EX box. Lycanroc GX. Wally Trainer, full art. Pinsir GX. Mega Beedrill EX. Espeon Team Plasma. Xerneas Prism Star. Regirock EX. Ninetales Break. Tapu Lele. Flareon EX. Flyarium Z, Jesse and James, Shiny Froakie, everybody, Shiny Froakie, Vaporeon, and then last but not least, Shiny Voltorb. Let's just put those to the side. So right now we are going to be unboxing this. Here's my special guest, my little sister, who's awesome at opening packs Pokemon. We're just going to open this real quick. And boom, there it is. First, let's just look at the little guide.
I'm feeling good about this.
Yeah. Here's a poster. I already have one. Boom. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Boom. There it is. Here's some stuff I don't really care about. Got some energies and a ton of sleeves that I already have. I'm just going to add these to my sleeve. Hey, no, not yet. I'm just going to add these to my sleeve pile so I have some sleeves that I can use for pulling good cards and stuff. I'm just going to show you my little display for unboxing Pokemon. We've unboxed a lot of Pokemon before. Today we're just live, like, unboxing Pokemon with you. Here's a little deck of energies and 8 Pokemon TCG Unified Minds packs. Can you stop? And so my sister's gonna open 4, and I'm gonna open 4. Here's some dividers. I don't really use those. Okay, let's dive straight in. You have to hold it in front of me. So first, my sister's going to be opening one Unified Minds pack. Let's see if she pulls any awesome cards from the first pack. What did you get? Did you get anything? Did you? Oh, nice. Hoopa Hollow. Reverse something. I don't know. Okay, she got pretty much garbage. A nice Cresselia. Overpowered, way overpowered. And let's just set those to the side over there. Here's beautiful Hoopa, my second favorite Pokemon. Now I'm gonna be opening a pack. Let's see if they pull anything. If we pull a Rainbow Rare Tag Team, I'm gonna be stunned. Stunfisk, Onix, Finneon, Alolan Grimer, Carablast, Salandit, Unifezant, Water Energy, Mesprit, Komala, and Pokemon Research Lab. Okay, now my sister's second pack. Let's pull something. Here.
I'll go through my card.
Did you get anything?
Wait, hold on.
No, don't do the card trick. No, just go through the cards. Here, let me hold it in front of you. Oh! Whoa, it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful.
Jack, let's go show Mom.
Mega Sableye and Tyranitar tag team. My sister's second pack. I am feeling really good about these next 5 packs that we still have. This is a one of a kind. It is so beautiful. Let's sleeve this up real fast. Let's get it in there. Beautiful tag team right there. Beautiful. Okay, now my second pack. Let's pull another tag team, guys. Let us pull another tag team. Double Luna, Pikachu, Karate Belt, and Zerky. Ultra Beast. Okay, nothing good. There it is, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. My sister's opening her third pack. Here,
I'll go through my cards.
it's tough to open. Here. Murkrow, Snover, Dratini,
Yeah, nothing good.
Steenie, Excava. Ooh. Nice Lapras. Nice. With Misty in the background. Misty just like pisses me off way too much. And she's just weird. Weird, guys. Okay. Third pack. My third pack. Wait, what? Yep. Oh. My third pack. Let's see if we pull another Mewtwo Mew or something like that. We just want another tag team. Sableye, Slackoff, Noivern. Yeah, nothing. What the hell? Yeah, we got nothing. Just a Sableye, Wimpod, Scropey, Swaddle. She's just opening her last pack. Let's pull another tag team, Lulu. You ready? Are you ready? How do you feel about this pack, Lulu?
Good.
Good? Okay, get your cards out. Yeah. Ooh, Hollow Kang Shang. Normalium Z. Okay. Hello, we're in box.
Kids?
Dad, look
What?
what I pulled.
Whoa, you pulled this today?
Yeah. Right
Did Mom
now.
give you another box or something?
No,
Grandma
Grandma
accidentally
accidentally sent this.
Get out of town.
Yeah.
YouTube video.
Dad,
What?
I pulled.
Hey YouTubers, what's up?
That's my dad. He's kind of annoying sometimes.
Yeah, he is. He's
Let's pull a rainbow rare. I'm feeling really good about
kind
this
of
pack.
annoying sometimes.
Speechless.
Yeah, YouTubers!
Sorry, he's kind of annoying. Good.
You guys, when you open something, pick up the paper off.
Don't throw our poster away.
I'm not throwing anything away. Picking up the garbage.
Grandma, look what I pulled.
Wow, that's cool.
Gia.
Grandma doesn't know anything about that stuff.
Hey Jack. Are you still recording your video? Can you stop it for a second? No, okay. Gotta talk to you about dinner. Do you want to order in? I know, but we could
Didn't I?
What are you getting stressed about?
I pulled like a rare card.
Oh. Yeah, this again.
You guys need to work on your lighting. Here, let me help you. There. That should help your lighting a little bit.
Oh my god. Heatran, my favorite Pokemon. I just pulled a Heatran GX and a one-of-a-kind Mega Sableye and Tyranitar tag team. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. A big shout out to my grandma for accidentally sending me 2 Unified Minds Elite Trainer boxes. Oh my god. I did it.
Make sure you tell your moms and dads to buy Pokemon cards.
Make sure you post a link in the description. Make sure you buy Hidden Fates Elite Trainer box. It is absolutely beautiful. You will get 1 free card of Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno tag team. You will pull tons of shinies.
And
It is absolutely dope.
the Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno
Is our alternative too.
and
something
it
like
is
that.
stained glass.
Shiny shiny. We're just gonna end the video right now. Beautiful. Peace out, guys. Have a good day. Make sure you tell your moms to buy all these stuff.
And
Just do it right now. It's amazing.
you can
Bye.
pull really.
And one more thing, make sure you check out my dad's YouTube channel. It's awesome. He does like a ton of visual arts stuff. It's pretty cool. I love it. It's awesome. He does a kind of cool holographic stuff.
Opera?
And make sure you check it out. It's really cool. And you can see me as a baby, like reacting to my dad eating sushi.
I remember that.
And me as a little kid with the soundless volume racing of me racing Hot Wheels down a track. It's called Jack's Rant. Make sure you check it out. It's really funny. And yeah, just check out my dad's channel. It's pretty cool. Bye. Again.